Hey, thanks for watching. This is a spare bedroom I have in my house, and as you can see, I kind of use it to play electric guitar. And I recently installed some foam panels on the walls to kind of dial back the reverb I was getting off the drywall. And at first, I had a really hard time finding high quality foam online that wasn't going to completely break the bank. But I did a lot of research, and I found a pretty awesome solution. If you've been looking for foam panels for your YouTube studio or your jam room, stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I installed this foam, where I bought it, and how much it cost. Yeah, so when I first started looking online, I was actually kind of shocked at the cost of really high quality foam. I mean, $64 for 12. Here's $145 for 24. I mean, it's high quality foam, but that's a lot per panel. And I was needing like 96 panels. Here's $200 for 24, $269 for 36. It was going to cost me like $700 to do my room. So I did some research and found a company called Foam by Mail. Just type that into Google, it'll come right up. They're also called the Foam Factory. And they make all kinds of foam for all different stuff. And if you go to their website, search in the commercial section, click on acoustic foam, they've got every kind of foam you can imagine, professional grade, high quality stuff, and just what I was looking for. They have it in a bunch of different colors. Here's the acoustic wedge foam. This is what I was looking for. They have it in a bunch of different sizes. 2 inches thick seemed to be sort of the industry standard, or at least more than I needed for a 12 by 15 room. And look here, 48 pieces, all these different colors, $61. 48 pieces, $61. I was sold. So needless to say, I ordered it right away, and 2 days later, it showed up on my doorstep in this giant box from the Foam Factory. Of course, 96 panels are pretty compressed inside a box so small, and I'll show you what that looks like when you unpack it. So when you unpack the foam, it's been wrapped heavily in plastic, and all the air has been sucked out. And this is usually kind of a worry when you buy cheap foam. How's it going to react? How long is it going to take to regain its form? But I unpacked this stuff, and within 2 or 3 minutes, it had completely regained its form. So I took a couple pictures just to show you how much foam fits in one box. Kind of amazing, actually. But it all survived. It all came through in excellent condition. The foam itself is really the highest quality. It's not cheap foam. It's super thick. It bounces back immediately. The color here is a little washed out because I did this right next to my window, but honestly, the colors are nice and rich. The foam has been cut with extreme precision, and when you hold it in your hands, you can just tell it's not simply repurposed packaging foam, which you see a lot of people trying to resell on some of the marketplaces. This is a high quality product. When you really compare what you're getting for the price and you compare it to other high quality foams, I feel like I got a really good deal here. So you're going to want to go over to Amazon and buy some 3M command strips. These are perfect for the job. They're two-sided. There's a red side and a black side. The black side says on it drywall, and that's the side that's going to not stick to your wall if you ever decide to take these down. They're just going to allow it to peel off. And the red side is just built for this. Once you stick it onto this foam, press it in a few times. I mean, it really grabs onto the foam quite strongly, and once you attach 4 of these, 1 to each corner, it'll take you a little while to do, but you're left with a wonderful little pile of command strip tabs, which are fun to clean up, so make sure you have a table nearby. Anyway, as I was saying, just a couple presses in to the foam. This was one of the first ones I did, so I didn't do them all this much, but they all stick really well. Just press it in there, and that stuff is attached to the foam, ready to go, ready to put on your wall. And for 96 panels, it took me about 70 minutes. It was kind of boring. So get ready to put on some music and zone out and stick on those command strips. So here's a quick time lapse I shot on my phone of me installing the panels on my back wall. Sorry about the bad lighting. This was 44 panels, and I'll be honest, this looks pretty quick here, but this is a 1 hour time lapse. It took me a full hour to hang them all and make sure they were all straight with a level and a ruler. And of course, afterwards, you get the black side of the command strips, making a little bit of a mess on the floor there, but that's just part of it. Anyway, let's take a look at some more before and after footage of my room and see how these really transform the room from an aesthetic standpoint. So the panels really do a great job of making the room look better and sound better. I've been playing my guitar and I'm not getting that twangy reverb bouncing off the walls, kind of ringing in my ears. So my amp sounds better. It's a lot more fun to play. And I just want to say, the Foam Factory didn't pay me to say any of this. They definitely didn't give me any free products or any discounts. They don't know I'm making this video. This is not sponsored in any way. I paid full retail price for their product, and I'm very happy with it. I just wanted to make a video because I didn't feel like they were getting enough publicity, and there's so much expensive foam online. A lot of it is just not very high quality. And a lot of the stuff that is high quality is extremely overpriced. So check out foambymail.com, check out the Foam Factory, and let me know what you think. Leave me some comments down below. And please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. We're just a really small channel here, but we work really hard, and it would really mean a lot to us if you would just take 2 seconds and click subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you again soon.